all the way from Manila just to be with us today. And I was telling him this should be annually. So because this is really very good.
Thank you first and foremost to the very gracious and kind Director Fayat. Maraming salamat po for this opportunity. And to all our media friends who found time to join us today. To all those who are watching and listening to us, what we are doing from Pag-ibig Fund, what we are doing here is for you, our members. We invite you to join us tomorrow, starting tomorrow, at the IEC Convention Center, IC3 Cebu City, for our two-day Pag-ibig Housing Fair. It will be held on April 30 and May 1, so that you may find over 20 housing units, including Pag-ibig acquired assets that you can buy even at discounts, and even through our affordable Pag-ibig housing loans under the expanded Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program. All these are part of our efforts to meet the directive of our President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in bringing accessible and affordable home ownership to more Filipino workers. So please join us, because a housing unit may already be waiting for you at the Pag-ibig Housing Fair here in Visayas. Maraming salamat.